Okay, so import list, this is basically where you'll find all your products after you import them to your store, okay? By the way, this is the product that we have previously imported, okay, from AliExpress. And as you can see it right here, you can check the name, the price, the pricing rule, category, SKU number, the supplier, and also there are some actions here you can take. But there are also actions that you can take right here on the left, okay? For example, you can publish now and the product will be published, okay? And it will land on the publish tab at the top right here, okay? You can also apply pricing rules, okay, to the product in case you haven't done that. By the way, we have a tutorial specifically on that, because if you remember, I told you that it's absolutely crucial that you set up pricing rules from the very start, okay? So make sure you watch it. Then you can also add a category for your product, so it will be placed in that specific category once you publish it, okay? You can also sync products at the same time. You can also take some actions, like I told you here. For example, you can edit your listing, okay, right here, and you can also view the product on AliExpress, okay? So let's say, for example, that you don't like a particular element in the AliExpress listing, right? And you want to edit it, because let's face it, AliExpress listings are not really presentable, okay? They're pretty crappy. So if I click on one, okay, one of these listings, for example, this one, okay, you can see it's pretty bad, right? The title is bad, okay, it's too long. The images are not that great. Like if you scroll down, you can see this listing is really crappy, right? Like if I scroll through the listing, it's not really presentable, okay? So you definitely want to fix them up a bit, right? You want to fix this listing a bit, right? And I'm pretty sure like you want to fix all of your listings, okay? So how you gonna do that? It's simple. You go back and you click on the edit button right here, okay? And you fix it with our custom built-in app editor technology, okay? That we custom built. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, how to edit everything in the next video.